For 4 billion years, she was our lone companion in the dark. A single, silver sentinel watching over the orbit of Earth. But everything we thought we knew about our cosmic stability was about to change. It started with a tremor in the scientific community. Deep space arrays in the Atacama didn't just see a rock, they saw a future. A rogue object, massive and ancient, was being drawn into our gravitational embrace. This wasn't an impact scenario. It was something far more rare, a capture. As the second moon, smaller, darker, and jagged, slid into a stable orbit, the night sky was rewritten. Silhouetted crowds gathered on rooftops across the globe, pointing in awe at the dual silver discs hanging in the star-filled void. For the first time in human history, we had two eyes in the sky. But the beauty was a mask for chaos. The delicate gravitational dance between Earth and its original moon was now a three-way tug-of-war. The first sign was the water. Massive tidal waves, hundreds of feet high, began to rise. Coastal cities that had stood for centuries were suddenly underwater. New York, London, and Tokyo scrambled to close massive floodgates as the oceans refused to stay within their bounds. The maps of Earth were glowing red and blue with shifted orbital physics. Scientists dropped their coffee cups in shock as satellite feeds confirmed the impossible: our orbit was holding, but our world was changing. In control rooms, orbits stabilized, flashed on screens, but on the ground, the transition was anything but stable. Compass needles spun frantically, lost in a magnetic disruption that confused birds and machinery alike. In the deserts, rocks and cacti cast two distinct shadows, creating a surreal landscape of high-contrast dualities. Archaeological sites were revisited as ancient stone engravings of skies with two eyes suddenly together. Bioluminescent plants in the jungles responded to the new frequency of moonlight, glowing in eerie, beautiful patterns. Old men told stories by campfires to grandchildren who had never known a world with a single moon. They pointed at the sky, explaining how the arrival of the visitor was the day the sky changed. As the two moons set over a calm, future Earth, humanity stood taller. We were no longer just inhabitants of a single satellite planet. We had become a dual-moon civilization, balanced on the edge of a new normal. The two moons are not just objects in our sky, they are symbols of our resilience, our curiosity, and our infinite capacity to adapt to a universe that never stops surprising us. Fades to black.